Welcome, my dear student, to grade 5. Okay, this is Mrs. Nermeen Sharif. I'm gonna teach you the math this year. This is our first session for revision. Here we will start with the decimals. Okay, this is very important to know. What is the decimal? A decimal, it's another way to write the fraction. The decimal is this 0 0.7. This is the a way of representing decimals, okay? And the fraction 7 over 10, we call it as 7 tenths. Okay, 0 0.7 is the same as 7 over 10. They are, we have here the decimal 1.29. It's 1, the whole number, and this is the decimal point, and the 29, it's a 29 hundredths. Okay, and here I have, it's a mixed number, 1 and 29 over 100. 1 is the whole number, and 29 is hundreds. Okay, so we're gonna read it as 1 and 29 hundredths, as same as 1 and 29 over 100. Okay, it doesn't matter that I have here one zero or two zeros or no zeros, it's the same value. So 1.3 equals 1.30 equals 1.300. Okay, how do I read decimal? If I have the number like 12 and this is the decimal point and 3, okay, I have to read the whole number first and the number after the decimal point, before the decimal point here. Okay, if you look at the number, it's a 12.35. Okay, it's a 12 and 35 hundredths. Okay, let's see this one. It's a 12.05. We called it. It's a 12 and 5 hundredths because 5 in the hundredths place. Let's see here. A decimal number is the number that is written using a decimal point. Okay, here I have this number 46.37. So what is this? This is the decimal point. And what is this? To the left is the whole number. The whole number here is unit, tens, and here the decimal part. This is tens, hundreds, and thousands. Okay. How do I read this number? Again, 46.37 or 46 and 37 hundredths. Here in the number 46.37, I have here the decimal point and ones and tenths, and here's the tenth. Okay, let's have some examples to solve. Here I want to convert a fraction to decimal. Okay, what should I do? First of all, I have to look at the denominator. Here the denominator is 10. So I have to put the decimal point here and only one decimal place. And here the first number here I'm gonna write, and the rest of the number, the whole number here. So the number I'm gonna read it as 14.8. And let's go here. This is 100. Okay, I put the decimal point and then 1, 2. Okay, the first two number here I'm gonna put it 3 and 6, and the rest of the whole number here is 7. So I will write it as 7.63 or 7 and 63 hundredths. Okay, here how many zeros I have? I have only two zeros, so I'm gonna put the decimal place, the decimal point, and then 1, 2, two places. The first two number here, 8 and 7, and the whole number is 15, 15.78. Okay, okay, here I want to convert from decimal into fraction. So this is the decimal point. Okay, and this is 5, 5 tenths. So how many places after the decimal point there's one place, so it's tens. So I'm gonna put here 10, and the 5 is up. Again, here, decimal point, and the number is 5, 5 tenths. So it's one place. So it's tenths. I'm gonna put here 10 and 5 here. And the 7 is the whole number. Here, how many places? I have two places after the decimal, before the decimal here, and I have here 0, 0, 1, and the number is 75. Let's see here, two places also, so it's gonna be 100, and here, okay, 56, and the whole number is 2. Okay, here we gonna see the values. Okay, decimal place value. Let's see. Here the decimal point, and here the whole number, and here the decimal part. Okay, the value of 2 here is units. 2, it has no zeros, and here 4 is in the 10th place. Okay, this is tens, 4 over 10, or 0.4. Okay, and the value of 5 here is hundreds, 5 over 100, or 0.05. Okay, and here the 6 in the thousandths place. So 6 over 1000, or 0.006. Okay, let's see this. Okay, I'm gonna write here 0.4, and here 0.05, and here 0.006. Okay, this is the value of the decimal part. Okay, and thank you. I'm gonna see you next session, inshallah.